Welcome to Thrive Talks, where we discuss how to thrive in today's fast-paced world. Today's topic is AI and the future of work. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, it is expected to have a major impact on the job market. In this video, we'll discuss how AI is expected to automate tasks and create new job opportunities, as well as practical steps for adapting to the changing job market. First, let's talk about automation. AI has the potential to automate many tasks that are currently performed by humans. For example, self-driving cars and trucks could replace human drivers, while chatbots could replace customer service representatives. This has the potential to increase efficiency and reduce costs for businesses, but it also raises concerns about job loss. In fact, some experts predict that up to 47% of U.S. jobs could be automated in the next few decades. However, it's important to note that not all jobs are equally at risk of automation. Jobs that involve creativity, critical thinking, and social skills are less likely to be automated, while jobs that involve routine tasks, such as data entry and assembly line work, are more likely to be automated. So, it's possible that the impact of automation on the job market will be uneven, with some industries and professions being more affected than others. But AI isn't just about automation. It can also create new job opportunities. For example, as AI tools become more advanced, they will require skilled workers to develop, maintain, and operate them. This could create new job opportunities in fields such as data science, machine learning, and robotics. Additionally, AI has the potential to create new industries and transform existing ones, such as healthcare, finance, and education. One example of how AI is creating new job opportunities is in the field of data science. As businesses and organizations collect more data than ever before, they need skilled data scientists to analyze and interpret that data. Data scientists use AI tools to identify patterns and trends in data and to develop predictive models that can inform business decisions. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of computer and information research scientists, which includes data scientists, is projected to grow 19% from 2020 to 2030, much faster than the average for all occupations. Another way that AI could create new job opportunities is by augmenting human capabilities. For example, AI tools could assist workers in making decisions, performing tasks, and managing information. This could lead to increased productivity and job satisfaction for workers, as well as better outcomes for businesses and organizations. For instance, AI-powered virtual assistants can help managers with scheduling and administrative tasks, freeing up time for more strategic thinking. So, what can you do to prepare for the changing job market? Here are a few practical steps. 1. Stay informed about the latest trends and developments in your industry. This can help you identify emerging job opportunities and areas where your skills may be in high demand. 2. Invest in your skills and education. As AI transforms the job market, it's important to develop new skills and stay up to date with the latest technology. This may involve taking courses or certifications in data science, machine learning, or other AI-related fields. 3. Develop your soft skills. As we mentioned earlier, jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, and social skills are less likely to be automated. Developing these skills can make you more valuable in the job market and help you stand out from the competition. As AI technology advances, there is a growing demand for specialized AI skills such as data analysis, machine learning, and natural language processing. This has led to the creation of new job opportunities such as data analysts, machine learning engineers, and AI trainers. For example, companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon have invested heavily in AI research and development, creating new job opportunities in these fields. Moreover, the integration of AI technology in various industries has also resulted in the creation of new job opportunities. For instance, AI-powered chatbots have become popular in customer service, leading to the need for chatbot developers and trainers. In the healthcare industry, AI-powered technologies such as telemedicine and personalized medicine are creating new job opportunities for healthcare professionals with AI skills. On the other hand, AI is also expected to automate many tasks that are currently performed by humans. This could potentially lead to job losses in certain industries, such as manufacturing, transportation, and retail. However, it is also expected that new jobs will be created as a result of this automation, such as AI system maintenance and repair, and monitoring and oversight of AI systems. To prepare for the impact of AI on the job market, individuals and organizations can take several steps. For example, individuals can acquire AI skills through education and training programs. Organizations can also invest in reskilling and upskilling their workforce to prepare for the adoption of AI technologies. In conclusion, the impact of AI on the job market is complex, with both opportunities and challenges. While AI is expected to automate many tasks and lead to job losses in some industries, it is also creating new job opportunities in others. To thrive in the future of work, individuals and organizations need to adapt and prepare for the adoption of AI technologies. Thanks for watching this video on the impact of AI on the future of work. We hope you found it informative and thought-provoking. If you have any comments or suggestions for future topics related to AI and thriving, please let us know in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.